The destructive power of these machines. The exceptional skills of humans. All of this is in today's video. Dive in and explore. With its powerful engine and robust design, the Bandit 3590XL can handle branches up to 20 inches in diameter. Its innovative debris ejection system ensures clean and efficient operation, minimizing mess on the job site. What about even larger trees? Let's see how it performs. It's quite a tough job. Would you like to see another chipper handle this log in an instant? Please comment and let us know. Thank God it's done. Are you ready to witness the power of the V8 hot saw? Get ready. Check out this stump removal expert with a grinding speed of 180 stumps per hour. The Dipperfox SC850 PRO easily grinds through tree stumps, leaving minimal debris and making cleanup a breeze. Do you know what one of the fastest tree cutting machines is? Equipped with a hot saw blade that slices through trees in an instant, the TigerCat LX830E deserves to be among the top tree cutting machines in the forest. Let's see how it operates. Cutting trees at height is a very dangerous situation, but also extremely impressive and visually striking. Let's take a look. Professional tree cutters will need courage and highly developed skills to perform this job. Since the tree is located in a residential area, cutting it into smaller sections from the top down instead of felling it from the base is essential to ensure safety. Next, we will explore the John Deere 640H skidder, a powerful machine in the forestry industry. With its powerful engine and a pulling capacity of up to 22,000 pounds, the 640H skidder can handle the toughest jobs in the woods. The cable system and hook make it easy to pull and move logs, saving time and effort for the workers. Its flexible design and excellent steering system allow the machine to maneuver easily through rough terrain, keeping the work running smoothly. Want to see more epic monster logging machines? Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new beast machines.